Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And I love natural hair, aka Michelle, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing my October BOXYCHARM, and here it is. So I don't know if you can see it. So this is the BOXYCHARM candy shop, and it has all the candies on it. So it's October, so it's representing Halloween. I'll take you to the candy shop. Ow. Yeah. A little entertainment. Okay. And our first item that I'm gonna be opening up is the New England palette. And it says inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mixed and match the metallic glitters and mattes to effortless eye look. And the cost of the palette is $32. And this is what the palette looks like. Isn't this a pretty packaging? Look at that. It's really pretty. And it's the editor palette. And I'm going to be opening that. And this is what the palette looks like. It's not pretty packaging. And here are the colors. And it has a mirror. So I'm going to swatch some of these, the palette for you. Let's see. Let's do this one. That's the gold shimmer. It's pretty. And let's do this one. This is like a fuchsia. And blue. This is a blue. They are pigmented. See? And I'm doing one more. Yeah, and they're pretty pigmented. And those are the ones that I'm gonna swatch. I don't want it all over me. I already took a shower. Okay, so in my next video when I do my my November palette, I will be doing a I will wear some of these colors, and I'll let you know. I don't like to do my makeup on camera because I am not an expert on doing makeup. Okay, I just do makeup for me, myself, because I don't want you guys to come for me. Okay, and let's look at it again. Next item is Wanderlust set, and here it is, the packaging. And these are the brushes. Pretty colors. This is for your eyebrows. And these are what the brushes look like. And it says, create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shadow brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shade brush, plus a brown and lash brush. Stash them in your luxy pouch for glam on the go. And glam and the go. And this details for $40. The next item is Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This is the packaging. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty light. I don't know. And this is what it looks like on my hand. And it says, this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And this retails for $24. And I do have dark circles under my eyes, so this would be good for me. And yeah. The next item is a Frank Body Glow Mask. And this is the Frank Body Glow Mask. This is what it looks like. And let's see. I should try these things and let you guys see what it looks like on me. And the eyeshadow that I have on right now is from last month's palette. And I can get this thing open. So guys, well, I guess I won't be showing you because it's okay. This is all you're gonna see today. Yes, guys, because it's hard for me to open it, and we ain't doing that today. And did I say how much it retails for? And this retails for $21.95. And it says this moisturizing face mask is naturally and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's naturally cruelty-free and only takes 5 minutes to mask. I'm gonna love this mask. 5 minutes, not bad. Usually my masks are for about half hour, so that's good. And the next item is Ace Beauty Draw It Up Liner Duo. And this is what it looks, this is what the packaging looks like. It's cute. And I'll take it out. Oh, it's dual. Okay. So here we go. This is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it looks like. And the other one, this is bright. It's a little brighter. It's a red one. Red is pretty. And this says that the Draw It Up liner are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharper at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner tips. Oh, that's good. I always need something to sharpen my pencil. I can never find my sharpener. And this retails for $16. So that's it for my BOXYCHARM, guys. And I did like this month's BOXYCHARM. And you know, it's for $25. It's really worth it. And you cannot get these makeup for cheaper than that. So it's worth the price. And if you guys ever want to try, it is a $25 every month. And yeah, so that's it for now. And Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.